Another day, another story. Welcome. In part 2 we have discussed all about recommendation engines, how they work, what are their benefits as well as drawbacks. So now, in part 3 we are going to discuss how AI helps in revolutionizing manufacturing and streamline production processes. Its benefits as well as drawbacks. So, let's begin. Most of you are aware of manufacturing and streamline processes. But, still, let me quickly explain both the concepts for you. So, manufacturing refers to the process of producing goods or products on a large scale, often using machinery and assembly lines. This can include everything from food and clothing to electronics and vehicles. Streamlining processes in manufacturing involves making them more efficient and effective. This can be done by identifying and eliminating unnecessary steps or bottlenecks, optimizing workflows and production lines, and automating certain tasks where possible. The goal is to reduce waste, increase productivity, and improve the overall quality of the finished product. As we have clarified both the terms, now let's discuss them. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by streamlining the production process and making it more efficient. By analyzing vast amounts of production data, AI has the ability to identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements that can lead to increased productivity, reduced waste, and improved quality control. One of the key benefits of AI in manufacturing is its ability to predict maintenance issues before they occur. By collecting data from sensors and machines, AI can detect anomalies and identify potential problems. This allows maintenance teams to perform preventative maintenance and avoid costly downtime, which can significantly impact production output. Another area where AI is making a significant impact in manufacturing is quality control. AI can analyze data from sensors and cameras to identify defects in real time. This means that quality issues can be detected and addressed before products leave the production line, reducing the likelihood of product recalls and improving customer satisfaction. AI can also help manufacturers optimize their supply chains. By analyzing data on inventory levels, shipping times, and demand forecasts, AI can suggest improvements to the supply chain that can reduce costs and improve delivery times. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and improved profitability for the manufacturer. In addition to these benefits, AI can also help manufacturers improve product design. By analyzing customer data and feedback, AI can identify trends and suggest improvements to product features and functionality. This can lead to the development of products that better meet the needs of customers, which can improve sales and profitability. One of the most significant impacts of AI in manufacturing is its ability to increase productivity. AI can analyze data on production processes and identify areas where improvements can be made. This can lead to faster production times, reduced downtime, and increased output. For example, AI can analyze data on machine performance and suggest improvements to increase efficiency and reduce waste. AI can also help manufacturers reduce waste and improve sustainability. By analyzing data on energy usage and waste production, AI can suggest improvements that can reduce energy consumption and waste. This can lead to lower operating costs and a reduced environmental impact, which can improve the company's reputation and attract environmentally conscious customers. Overall, AI is transforming the manufacturing industry by making it more efficient, productive, and sustainable. By analyzing production data, AI can identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements that can lead to cost savings, improved quality control, and increased customer satisfaction. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly play an increasingly important role in the manufacturing industry, helping companies to remain competitive in a rapidly changing global market. In today's video, we have discussed about manufacturing and streamlined production processes with the help of AI, its benefits as well as drawbacks. If you feel, due to this video, you got some interesting, informative and new information, so stay with us further. Thanks for watching.